Checklist for mastering driving skills. An online driver's education course is a great way to learn how to drive. Each student receives the necessary information for driving at their own pace. If you are a parent of a teenage driver, taking them out on a driving lesson is a great idea to get the experience they need to be safe behind the wheel. Here's a video demonstration to help you teach your students some driving skills so they are ready for the driving test. These skills can be divided into intermediate, advanced, and beginning. You can support me by clicking the like and subscribe buttons while I analyze these skills, starting with the beginning or basic driving skills. 1. Basic driving skills. This list is for new drivers learning to drive or starting to learn how to drive. These are some suggested starting skills. Pre-vehicle inspection includes a thorough walkthrough of the vehicle to ensure no hazards, debris, or small children. How to read dashboard gauges, detect gas levels, the speedometer, and if any warning lights are active. Examine all buttons and levers. Know where they are located, turn signals, windshield wipers, headlights, hazard lights, etc. Mirrors should be adjusted and used correctly. Smooth, precise maneuvering of the vehicle. Smooth turns at the right speed. Backing up. Proper positioning and posture for the driver, hand position, foot position, etc. Smooth, controlled stopping. Park in a designated stall. The car should be turned off. 2. Intermediate driving skill. Once the basic skills have been mastered, the driver can move on to the real world. Pay attention to the traffic volume and avoid driving when there are too many cars. Clear weather and bright lighting will ensure visibility. You should also ensure that you are familiar with driving laws and know what they mean. These are intermediate driving skills that you can work on. Allow pedestrians and other vehicles the right of way. Maintain a safe distance of 2 seconds between cars. Be prepared for the actions and hazards of other drivers. Communicates with other drivers. Recognizes road signs and can explain their meaning. Speed limits must be observed. Turn signals should be used appropriately. Place the vehicle on the curb. Passing techniques should be used correctly and controlled. Keep your eyes on the road. 3. Advanced skills. After mastering the intermediate and beginning skills, it's time to learn the advanced ones. Each section should complement the other, and the new driver must feel comfortable executing the previous skills. These are the skills you should work on with your advanced student driver. In rush hour traffic, drive calmly and accurately. Adjusts driving in bad weather or with low lighting. Expressways that allow for proper entry and exit. Be careful driving around semi-trucks. Be careful around those riding a bicycle or on a motorcycle. Ability to deal with complex driving situations. Multiple driving hazards are handled. Uses proper defensive driving techniques. Plan for escape routes and look ahead. Solid knowledge of emergency procedures. Time to take the driving test. After a new driver has completed the above lists, they can pass a driving test. You should identify skills that need more practice. However, you should also encourage and recognize areas for improvement. This checklist will help you evaluate your driving skills and assist you in helping students pass the teen driver's education exam. Here is the end of this video. Please kindly like and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks, see you in my next video.